Other than being kind of strange, did you notice the mistake I made on these wheel plates? Yeah, everybody's smart at home, got the answer right. I missed putting in holes for my suspension adjustment. So, if anybody's familiar with these trucks, and this goes for a T-Max as well, or E-Max, or that chassis setup, to adjust my camber, I have to be able to access these nuts that are inside there. It's actually a ball joint screw that goes into the suspension arm. So you basically take your wrench here and you're going to put it through that seal, which has a hole in it, and then you turn your ball screw, and then that adjusts the suspension in and out. So I'm going to pop all the wheel plates off. I'm going to drill some holes. It's going to be a quick video, and I'll show you how I do that, and we'll get that fixed. Alright, so if I take a measurement on that suspension arm from pivot to pivot, it's going to measure 1 3/4 inches. I know it's a little bit hard to see there, but it's 1 3/4. It may be something close to that in metric, but that's going to be accurate enough for our holes. I'll oversize them a little bit, and should work well. So next step is to mark all the boards. Alright, so I've marked all my plates. I centered the 1 3/4 measurement on the axle center. So from the center here to there is 7/8, excuse me. So it's 0.875 if you're using decimal. So from there to there is 7/8, there to there is 7/8. Add it together makes 1 3/4. So it's now time to drill them. Always make sure when you mark something like that that you punch it with an awl, so it gives the drill a center point to rotate on. That'll keep your drilling nice and accurate. Here we go. Alright, we're going to use a 1/4 drill bit. That's 0.25 in decimal. Put that in there. Tighten it up. And here we go. This should go fairly easy. Don't have to use a drill press for this. You could use just a normal drill, a hand drill, or a cordless drill, or a corded drill, whatever you have. Notice I'm using a backer board here to prevent tear out in the wood. And there we go. Just that easy. Alright, we have the plates put back on with the new holes. Now we can just stick our tool right through the hole and into the ball joint. And there we go. Now we can adjust that. So definitely have to have that on the setup plates if you're going to do this. It makes adjusting the camber really easy from there. And for your benefit, I'm going to show you putting the wrench in, going through the board, and into the ball joint. Look at that. Pretty slick. So now I can adjust that camber in and out. We'll be doing another video, and we'll be adjusting that camber. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching Project King videos. We appreciate your support.